Basil, the king of herbs. Fragrant, flavorful, and easy to grow right on your balcony. Also called Thai basil or 9-layer pagoda, this herb is prized for its unique aroma. Start with tiny seeds, like sesame. Use loose, well-draining soil in a pot, sprinkle the seeds, cover lightly, and water well. In early spring, cover the pot with a dome, bag, or plastic wrap to keep it warm and moist, helping the seeds sprout faster. After 10 days, you'll see tiny purple leaves. By day 24, needle-like leaves appear, short and sturdy. Day 50, time to transplant into separate pots. By day 60, it's harvest time. To harvest, don't cut the whole plant. Just pinch off the tips. Leave side shoots to grow. One plant can keep producing for months. If it starts to flower too early, pinch off the buds to keep it leafy. By day 110, let it flower and go to seed. You'll get new baby plants naturally. Basil thrives from March to November, loves full sun, and grows best between 15 to 28 degrees Celsius, 59 to 82 degrees Fahrenheit. Ready to grow your own? Follow Gardening Nurture for more easy, fun plant tips.